I'm back with another video. I'm back with another video. I'm back with another video. No, but for real. Okay, so today, let me just get straight into it. I'm doing a quick review on this company right here. I really do like the bag. It's really cute. And this is from Cynosure Hair, or however you say that. I don't know. But it's supposed to be 100% human hair. So, let's see what's all in here. Okay, so we have our wig cap. We also have a thank you note. We have a pamphlet. And the inside, it just it shows the wig that I have, which is the 360 lace frontal, and it shows you how to care for your wig. And it has some IG models on the back. Oh shit. Oh shoot. These is cute. Got some mink lashes. I like that. Those are really cute. Y'all see those? Them gonna look good. Gonna look good on me. Okay. So this is the kinky curly Brazilian hair. This is what it looks like. Okay, first impressions. It smells good, smells wonderful, smells very delightful. But on another note, I was expecting for this to be a lot longer. And before y'all go talking about, oh, you gotta wet it and this, that, and the third, I thought it was gonna be longer than this because online it showed that it was longer. So I do understand when you wet it, it's gonna elongate. I get that. But what I'm saying is while it's dry, we ain't talking about while it's wet, we talking about while it's dry. So what I do notice about this one, it has 4 clips in the inside, 1 in the front, 1 in the back, 2 on the sides. Now, this is not an install video. This is just my first impression. This is just my review. I'm going to save that video for another day, another time. But I am going to try it on for y'all, and y'all just let me know what you think. The hairline is already pre-plucked. It already has the baby hairs, and pretty much it's good to go. So, with that being said, let me go ahead on and get my helmet on in place. That's what it feels like, y'all. Who can relate? It's like, I feel like I'm not trying on a wig. I feel like I'm putting on a helmet. Like I'm finna get out there and go play football with my son and my husband. That's how I feel, for real. Hold on. Hut. Put this shit on. Hut. For real, that's how I feel. Oh, I'm at least trying to clamp it on so y'all can, you know, see how it looks. Okay. All right. So it is on. What do y'all think? What y'all think? Is it cute? Okay, so I'm gonna tell you what I do like about it. Overall, I feel like the hair, you know, It's cute. I like the curls and stuff. It's nice. And what I do like is, you know, you can do a middle part, which is cute. Or you can even do like a deep side part if you like to. And the hair is really, really soft. I do like that. So for the most part, you can part it, you know, whichever way. So for now, we're just gonna keep that middle part. I'm gonna show you guys the close-up. So this is the hair. This is it. I ordered this off of Amazon. There's some people that's brought to my attention that they have the exact same wig and they got it from AliExpress. I got mine on Amazon. I was supposed to get it before Christmas, but it ended up coming today. So not too bad. You know, I really wasn't expecting it to come before Christmas anyway, so I'm just happy that I got it. So for the most part, I do like it. It's cute. It smells good. It has the baby hair, so I won't have to, you know, do anything to it. And y'all let me know in the comments below what you think. If you like it, you don't like it. If you have a review, if you have it, let me know. And until next time, this is it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Brittany Richardson. Also follow your girl at South American Bri.